Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to fix Instagram Reels not showing. If you're using Instagram and you're facing the issue that your Instagram Reels are not showing, so let's see some possible fixes for this. So the very first thing, you just have to make sure that you have a stable and strongest network connection. And after that, you have to also make sure that your VPN is not connected. So go for settings, go for general, go to VPN and device management, and you just have to make sure that your VPN is not connected. If you're connected to any kind of VPN, just try to disconnect with that. After disconnecting your VPN, you have to go back from here and go to App Store, go for search, and you have to search for Instagram. And you just have to make sure that your Instagram app is up to date. There's no pending update for your Instagram app. If you find you just have to try to update your app. So after updating your app, your issue must have to be fixed. If it's still not fixed your issue, so go back from here and now you have a single way. You just have to try to offload your app, or you can also try to delete apps in case of offloading or deleting. If there will be any bug or any malware with your Instagram app, it will be fixing this step and you'll not get this again. So go for settings, go for general, go for iPhone storage, just look for Instagram app here, and here you can try to offload your app also, or try to delete your apps. After offloading or deleting, you have to reinstall the app, and after reinstallation, if there will be any bug or any malware, it will be fixed in the step and you'll not get the issue again. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.